So, uh, well, once again, a formal good afternoon to everybody. Hope you all had a heavy meal and energetic and active. And just now, you have witnessed a video regarding interview. Okay, once again, let me say interview. I hope that at least few of you have already watched that. But here, my intention is whether we watched it or not. That is not the point right now. What I want to discuss. What I want to discuss is what is the analysis or what are the plus points and minus points. I mean, what are the things which are useful for us, which we are supposed to grasp, and what are the things which we are supposed to delete. These are the 2 point of views. Now what we have to analysis regarding the video just now you have watched. Okay, now let me admit some of the people. I don't know why people are a bit late to the class. Okay, see to it that be early. Okay, fine. Now can I have your responses in the chat box? What did you understand from the video which you have watched just now, the video interview? Yes, can I have the responses in the chat box, please? I have given the options for you, right? Can I have the response in the chat box? Yeah, already somebody has written something, right? Okay. We do one thing instead of texting in the chat box and wasting time. I gave you the option: unmute yourself and speak. And after completion of your saying whatever you want to say, you can again mute yourself. Okay. Yes. Unmute yourself and can you say? Can you just say what you have understood from the video? 5A7, yeah, I think when the video was going on itself, you have texted in the chat box, yeah, something he will write. Yes, correct. He asked to write something. He wrote something. See, SOMETHING. Okay. Yes. Okay. I think you have already previously watched. I think good. And please give me the response. What is the thing? What you have understood? Here I got in the chat box, Harita. Attitude carries everything. Knowledge doesn't suit in every situation. Okay. So according to Harita, attitude, am I audible? Can I have the response in the chat box? Am I audible? Yes. Okay. Thank you. So attitude carries everything. Knowledge doesn't suit in all places. You mean according to Harita, attitude suits every place. Okay. And somebody else, IT 90 roll number, to be ourselves. Okay. You have to maintain your own style. Okay. Agreed partially. Yes. I tell you why partially. Okay. I again come back to the points what I want to discuss. Okay. And what else? Yes, Harita. Okay, you completely agree with your point. Okay, fine, good. Anybody can unmute yourself or can either text in the chat box and tell me. Yes, somebody has given 1296. His smartness and smart way of thinking. Okay, and 1228 has given never prepare for interview. Oh my goodness. You have to prepare for interview. Okay, fine. I discuss this point also. Okay, and what else? And see, when we watch something, we should have some analysis regarding that because that is related to something like our career. So we have to. Yes, I welcome some more responses either in the chat box or you can unmute yourself and say orally. Yes. Yes. That's all. So these are the things what you have understood. Let me admit some people are waiting. This is the problem. You say if you come late, admitting them is a big problem in the middle. Deviation from the topic. Okay. So some more responses I'm getting. I welcome. Always don't follow routine. Of course, exactly. Routine will not is not apt in all the situations. Yes, I told you. If I discussed this point in the beginning first, I told you I don't know whether I told you or not. HR questions. Okay, first one is take first written test whenever you go to any company, and then TR round, technical round, and then after that group discussion or jam, and last round is HR. Okay, HR round. For HR round questions, there is no correct answer or wrong answer as such. Whatever you say is an answer, that's it. But you have to convince the HR panel that you are correct. In that way, you give the statement, you give your answer, and you have to support that answer, whatever you say. So every answer is not suitable for every situation. This point, I once again try to tell you more clearly. Listen, like once upon a time, a person is there. I think some of you, I don't know whether who has previously, if you would have attended, I would have discussed this. Anyhow, a person attended an interview, and the interview panel member, HR, is of roundabout age like 55 plus. So he asked a question, one of the common questions in the HR round. The question is like this. Question is, where do you want to see yourself after 10 years from now? I repeat my question. Where do you want to see yourself after 10 years from now? That is the question asked by a HR interview panel member to the candidate. Then the candidate's answer was like this. Answer is, yeah, I would like to be in your place. Immediately, that HR is impressed. See, whatever I have achieved in like 15 years or 18 years, you would like to achieve within 10 years. Really, you are very dedicated and you are very hardworking. He appreciates and give him an offer letter. Fine. Okay, first situation. Now, let us move to the second situation. Second situation is the same candidate attended an interview and the HR is different. HR is of round about like 35 to 40 years of age. The same question he asks. The question is, where do you want to see yourself after 10 years from now? This is the question. Then this gentleman say the same answer. What's the answer? I want to be in your place after 10 years. Okay. Immediately he was rejected. Okay. Why? Why? First condition, anyhow he is going to get retired after 10 years. So this coming fellow is not at all a threat for him. But whereas in the second case, this fellow, if he comes, he will be a threat for him. After 10 years, he will be like 45 plus. Obviously, he becomes a threat for him. So this fellow is rejected. Did you understand? All the question is same, answer is same. But depending upon the context, answer sometimes will not match. So that's the reason why I say HR questions, there is no correct answer or wrong answer. But you should say in a very polite way, in an understandable way, to the exact content you have to convey. Exact content you have to convey to the listener. In an impressive way. The main concept is you have to convince the listener. You have to convince the panel. That's it. That is the only thing. Okay. So somebody said, so what is that answer? Always don't follow routine. Exactly. Please don't follow always a monotonous style. No, you have to change. You have to update according to situation. Let us say this online teaching. Okay, online classes. It was not so familiar for we people, the teaching community. But now, as the situation demand, we have updated. We have switched on to this style of teaching. See, depending upon the situation, you see, practically you are watching the faculty, how they are updating themselves. In the same way, you also, depending upon the situation, depending upon the context, okay, depending upon the person, you have to study the interview panel. What exactly is expecting the answer from me? That should be thought. And then accordingly, you have to give smart answer. Okay? Yes, agree. Always don't follow routine. And anything else? Anything else? Any other responses or that's all? That's all or any other responses, any other analysis? attitude is everything. According to 485, what the student is saying is attitude everything. Yes. Other day, Mr. Jain was saying, other day we attended, I don't know how many of you have attended. Mr. Jain was saying attitude is everything. How the attitude is formed? From the habits. How the habits are formed? From the thoughts. Okay. So actions and thought ultimately from the thoughts. Okay. So the thoughts and the attitude is everything. How you handle it matters a lot. Okay. Good. And anything else? And anything? Varun is waiting in the waiting hall. Yeah. Next. That's all. Okay. Somebody said always never prepare for interview. No, not at all. You try to answer very good, appreciate, but no. Though it is a very small interview, whatever is a normal for informal meeting also, you should be prepared. You have to go with preparation. That is important. In the interview skills we discuss again what are pre-interview skills and all. I discuss with them. But whatever the interview, maybe in a job interview, maybe a formal meeting, or maybe an informal meeting, maybe whatever it may be, you should prepare. Okay, without preparation, you cannot crack the jobs. Preparation is required. You see, for me to take class, preparation. Matter of 1 hour or 1.5 hour class, I have to make my own preparation. In the same way, when you are going to exhibit your skills, you have in the interview, you should have preparation. Which skills I have to exhibit first? What are the things what I'm supposed to highlight? Those things you should have a mind mapping. You should have mind mapping. Okay? Yes, preparation is required. And smartness and smart way of thinking. Yes, you should be smart. Obviously you should be, because we cannot expect the interview total plan and prepare accordingly. No, after going there you prepare something else. After going there the picture will be entirely different. Okay, so you should be in a position to handle the situation however it may be. Okay, you should be mentally prepared to handle such type of any situations. Okay, EQ questions will be asked, emotional, to test your emotional. IQ means intelligent question, EQ means emotional question. Such type of questions will be asked. Okay, so you should be prepared to give smart answers. Okay, and any other responses? Attitude carries everything, knowledge doesn't. Okay, somebody has said previously. No, yes. So attitude, it is important to have, but sometimes you should you have to control your attitude even. Okay, right. So here, let me make a small analysis. If you can remember Mahesh, in the interview, okay, Mahesh, when yes, Mahesh, tell me about yourself. He immediately started saying, I am Mahesh. Okay, already I told you this point in the self-introduction. Okay, if you can remember, when the interview panel members have already mentioned your name, again you should not start with your name. You have to directly get into the point. Got it? Okay, when the interviewer has already, in case if the interviewer did not mention name, then fine, chalo, you have to mention your name. Understood? And if you can remember, one gentleman, he wanted to say something. He's saying, I am, etc. Okay, let me tell you, buffering is going on in his brain. What is going on? Buffering is going on. Why? He is not tuned to speak English. His brain is not tuned to supply words, English words to the tongue. That is the reason why he wanted to say something, but he couldn't say. Okay, don't know how many such type of people are there in the batch, but mind you, my kind request, be in touch with the language. Be in touch with the language so that you will not be like that buffering candidate. Okay, right? Okay, fine. And keep style, yeah, that funky style and all, will it be really matching in the realistic interviews? No, no. You should be informal, perfectly informal attire. Tuck shirts, clean shave, girls neatly groomed. Okay, other day Mr. What is his name? What is Jain? Mr. Jain was saying in his class, okay, you should be groomed well. Grooming is important. Okay, that makes a clear picture of your first impression. So grooming is required because there is no second chance to make first impression. First impression, according to Jain, is everlasting impression. So grooming is important. Don't go with the funky. Yeah, you keep it to yourself, that style and all. Fine. Okay. First, before you enter, you should be totally in formals. Okay. That don't suit in the MNCs generally. Okay. Fine. Yeah. And somebody has texted in the chat box. Let me read out. We shouldn't say yes to every question. What was asked by interview? Never give, yeah, never give. This point I'm supposed to discuss in the interview question, interviews topic. Okay, anyhow, as the situation has arisen, I'm telling you, never give one word answers in the interview. Make a point. Make a point in the brain when you go for the interviews. Never give one word answers. If the question is, do you feel that the financial crisis is a very difficult task for India to handle? Your answer should not be yes, sir. No. Yes, sir, I strongly feel that it is so because of the financial crisis which is going on. It takes a little bit of, because India is not at zero, but it is even negative minus 11 or minus 12. Okay, so I don't think that India can handle, it takes little bit of time for India to again come back to normal position. You see, answer though you can just give in S, you should not give. You have to give some explanation. Never give one word answers like yes, no. For example, yeah, by in the I hope Mr. Raj, you completed your BTech in the year 2021. Question is like this. Okay, generally what people say, yes sir, I completed in 20. Okay, yes sir, by the year 2021 I was able to complete my BTech graduation with the aggregate of so and so. See, you add something else, but don't give yes or no single answers. No, I hope I made myself clear. Okay, and one more, number 485 has given, whatever the answer, be confident because no one knows everything. Totally agree. But don't try to bluff. Be fair. Be fair, okay, and be little bit reasonable. Whatever, yeah, I agree that the panel members don't know everything about you, but they can estimate up to some extent. Okay, so but don't totally give some wrong answers, I mean which is not there in the a real thing and all. Don't give fake information. Be frank, be straightforward, be genuine. Okay, yes, some more responses I got. Whatever the answer, yeah, anything else? Yes, okay. So number 485 is saying that be confident. Yes, you should be confident. Okay, you have to be confident. You have that confidence should be reflected in your language, whatever you say, and even in your body language also. Okay, your body language, like doing like this, like this, like this when you go for interview. And if the pressing pen is taken, some people will be doing like this, like out of tension. All this, it should not be there. Totally, body should be under your control. And some people will be having a habit of shaking the leg. All the body should be under your control. And all these I again personally discuss these topics in the interview skills. Okay, so as far as this video is considered, and Yeah, these are the points what I want to discuss. Okay, so buffering should not be there, for which you have to speak English, and you should not be low, so like funky style and all. You should be totally informal. Okay, as you are the fresher. Okay, especially, and because it don't match to the MNC culture, work culture and all. Okay, and preparation for the interview is required. Okay, and what exactly is asked there? What is the intention behind asking that question? You have to think of, and overall you have to study. It is not that interview panel member studying the candidate, but you have to study the panel member. What is the thing what he wanted to get from me? If you grasp that, finish. Your interview will be cool and relaxed. Okay, with this I would like to stop this discussion over that a small video which I would like to share, which I have shared just now. And any more questions regarding, or shall we move to the self introduction? Any more questions? Text in the chat box. Any more questions? Fine. Okay. Okay. Now, who's today? Who's taking the turn? Who is the kickstarter of self introduction in today's class? Can I have somebody for self introduction? Let's not kill the time. Make it fast. So, nobody would like to give the presentation today, self introduction? What happened? Most of you did not complete the self introduction. Why still you are not turning up? You are supposed to make use of this opportunity or this platform to improve your skills. I don't know why you are not availing being final year. Okay, anyhow, it's up to you. Let me not waste time. By the by, did you think of about digital CV? Other day we were discussing about digital CV. Hope you got that. And my kind request for all the students of final year, better prepare your self introduction. At the same time, 1.5 minute video of your self introduction, that is required. Okay, 1.5 minute video of self introduction, and try to get ready with a digital CV. That is the now demand for you. Okay, you can proudly say in the self introduction that you have built up with a digital CV. Okay, it will be very impressive. Okay, make it a point to do that. Okay, so that's all with the self introductions. Shall we move to the next topic of today's, or is there a final call for everybody, those who did not present the self introduction? If it is done with, then we move to the next topic. Okay then, let me share the screen. Is the screen visible, ma? Can I have the response in the chat box? Is the screen visible? Response in the chat box. Is the screen visible, ma? Yes. Okay, ma. Thank you. A PPT, right? Okay. Yes. Okay. Fine. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now, Here, the next topic what I would like to discuss with you is interview skills. Okay, what is the next topic? Interview skills. Yes, tell me what you think an interview is. Any idea? Unmute yourself and you can say what interview is, or at least give in the chat box what is an interview. What is an interview? I did not get responses in the chat box. What is an interview? Any idea? Okay, I am receiving some responses. Let me read out for you. Oh, somehow I'm unable to. Yes, unmute yourself, Annapu Reddy. Those who want to say, you can unmute yourself and say. Okay, here I got some responses. Let me just read out few responses. Okay, it is a meeting of people face to face, especially for consultation. Okay, about to know internal view of a person by questioning, I think. Okay, 571 Varun. Then to check whether the person suits or not for that post. Okay, 4B2, very good. Right. And 485, presenting ourselves to get placed in some place we want. Okay, bye. Okay, then 1219, it is a place where we have to expose skills briefly. Okay, so I appreciate all the responses, very good. Okay, let me tell you, an interview is a formal meeting. What is that? It is a meeting. You are going and meeting the panel members. But is it a formal and informal? Purely formal. Okay, so an interview is a formal meeting where the panel members are going to test you whether you are suitable for the post or not. Your skills are tested. Okay, your language skills, technical skills, communication skills, and all the skills are tested. So it is a formal meeting where the suitability of the candidate is tested, whether the candidate is suitable for a particular post or not. That is called interview. Okay, so let us see. Let me just read out. Can anybody unmute yourself and read out what you are able to see on the screen? One of you please unmute yourself and read out, ma. I hope you can do it.
The success in interview depends on knowledge, self-confidence, good speaking skills, and use of appropriate interview strategy.
Yes, very good. Okay, may I know who's that?
4B2, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Thanks for reading. Okay, let me just read out interview skills. Success in a job interview depends on knowledge, point number 1. Self-confidence, number 2. Good speaking skills, number 3. And use of appropriate interview strategy. So, the success of the interview depends on these aspects. Okay, one is knowledge, self-confidence, good speaking skills, and appropriate strategy. What are the interview strategies you have to, answering strategies, which strategy you have to apply? All you should know, and use the apt strategy. I told you, for all the things you cannot go in the same way. Apt, usage of apt strategy for every interview. On these aspects, the interview will be decided. Then next person, can I have next person to read? Can I have next person to read? Without wasting time, be quick, ma. Take a chance.
Planning.
Yeah, please go ahead.
The basic structure of a job interview is planned for effective results. The interviewer may plan and generate specific questions for each candidate.
Yes, plan. Thank you, ma'am. Planning. The basic structure of a job interview is planned. Okay, so when the panel members interview, company people visit the college for interviews, they will not come just like that. They will plan. After going there, first what they have to do, they have to give a video or a PPT on how they are going to. You see, I think you might have consulted your seniors and all before the placements start. When they come after company visiting, the moment they come into the building, first what they do is they make assemble all the students in a single room, and they will show the PPT or they will give a picture how they are going to interview the people. Okay, so after that, because they are coming with a plan, maybe written test, maybe GD, or maybe jam. Okay, what is the strategy? Okay, the basic structure of a job interview is planned for effective result, for good result. The interviewer may plan and generate, okay, specific questions for each candidate. Okay, for each candidate, specific questions will be generated, and the candidate is supposed to be, and this is the planning of the interviewer. Okay, the interviewer will plan accordingly. Okay, can I have the next person, please?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Please read out, ma'am. You are audible.
The purpose of HR interview is to test the personality traits of certain candidates and assess the skills of how the candidates behave in certain situations.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Okay, a small correction, personality traits. Okay, traits means characteristic features. Okay, so the purpose, I mean, he read correctly, but the spelling over there in the PPT is wrong. Okay, so that's, let me admit that. Okay, purpose, the purpose of the HR interview is to test the personality traits of a candidate and assess the skills of how the candidate behaves in certain situations. For this only, see, interview is conducted for this purpose, because the panel members, in the resume you are going to give all the details and all, but they want to test how you react to the situation. Okay, so such type of questions will be asked. Those questions are called, let me tell you, hypothetical questions. What are they called? Hypothetical questions. Okay, such I tell you how the hypothetical questions goes. It will be like, yeah, the company employees are on strike because an employee has met with an accident with the under the company lorry, and because of that he lost his life. Okay, because as a result, all the employees of the company, all the workers of the company are under strike. Now, would you like to support the employees or the staff? I mean, the administrative staff. Who would you like to support? See the question. See the question. A hypothetical question, which means how you handle that, how you try to handle that situation, how you react to that situation. In order to test that, such type of questions will be asked. Understood, ma? Okay. So see to it that you should be ready to answer such hypothetical questions. So personality traits. Like one more question, like you are in a team and you are the team leader of your project. Being a team leader, one candidate is not at all cooperating with the remaining team members in your group or in your team. How do you handle? Yes, tell me. You tell me, unmute yourself and tell me how do you handle. I repeat my question once again. You are the team leader of your project and one of the team members of your team is not cooperative, okay, and because of him the work is being what can I say, disturbed. Okay, how do you handle him? Yes, anybody can answer. Unmute yourself and try to answer this. You see, by answering only you are going to learn something, right? take a chance and answer. You see, I'm not going to either allot you marks or I'm not going to reduce any marks. Okay, a casual discussion. Through the discussion, you are going to learn. So tell me, how do you answer this question? Unmute yourself and answer.
Yeah, madam. Am I audible?
Clear. You're very clear. You can.
Yeah, madam. I'd like to have a talk with that employer.
Okay, how do you? That's what. Yes, Mr. Raj. It seems you're not cooperating. Better you cooperate. Is it that?
Not like that.
Okay. So how? That's what I'm asking. How? That's what I'm asking. That's the
Yeah.
exactly what I want.
I'd like to know what his problem was. In not cooperating with us.
Yes, you will try to locate where the problem is beginning, right?
Yeah, of course.
As a team leader, okay. You have a close interaction with him, okay. And
Yeah, and then I'll try to sort it out as soon as possible.
try to sort it out the issue, right? And
Yeah.
guide him to cooperate, right?
Hmm.
Okay, good. Try. Yes, good. And yes, thank you, Ma. Very good. And you see, in this way, you have to come out with responses. When you listen the responses, okay, this point is good now. Let me also try this next time. So you get ideas. If nobody is speaking, if it is one woman show, one man show, one woman show, so it will not work out generally in the training classes. No, it should not be like this. It should be an interactive class. So you give responses. In the beginning, I did not force you because you are also not tuned, and even me also not tuned to handle the class online. But now, as of now, I think you can also unmute yourself. You understood how to do the things and all, so you can tell answers now. So please tell me, unmute yourself and take a chance. That is also a part of learning, right? Somebody said here, 485, firstly, we'll try my best to make him be cooperative with our team. Yeah, that's what is my question. How you do that? How you try your level best? What you do? You make a surgery and take out his brain and put that and again stitch? No. How? Responses, please. Say something. Say something. I say whether right or wrong is secondary matter. I don't consider even. You open your mouth and say, that's it. That's the thing what exactly I want. What happened? No response? We are getting late, my dear. Make it fast. You see, through this exchange of views and ideas only, we are going to learn. You see, mantra of MNCs. What is the mantra of MNCs? Sharing of knowledge. The thing what we are doing right now. We should inculcate to this style of discussion. Please unmute yourself and express your view. Killing time, ma. Somebody is texting here. No, better you unmute yourself. What is there? You are not even switching on the video. After only audio, no? You can take a chance. 482. Unmute yourself and say. See, many things to discuss. You're wasting time. What do you do with a team member who is not cooperating with the team? How do you handle him? It is a hypothetical question. See, your personality traits, that is there no purpose. That is tested by asking this question. Yes, tell me. How do you handle? You tell your boss. Higher authority that he is not cooperating. What you do? For B2, you can read out.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Read out, ma'am.
The purpose of the HR interview is to test the personality traits of a candidate and assess the skills of how the candidate behaves in certain situations.
Yes. Okay. So what is the answer for the question what I have asked? How do you handle the candidate who is not cooperating? Any idea? Any idea regarding that? No need of raising hand. Directly you unmute yourself and you can say. 436. So much is there to discuss and you are not responding, my dear. What is this? Okay. If it is the case, you see, in this way, you know, class will not work out, my dear. I don't know why you are not responding. Language problem.
Hello,
or yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. You are very clear.
Ma'am, first I will ask him what make him being not cooperative with us, so that we will know whether he is against our decision or he wants to modify our decision. And then we will try to explain the boon and bane of the situation of our decision. And next, if even though he's not convinced, we will because as a team leader, if I tell him, he may not be convinced because he may feel that I am the leader and taking advantage of the situation. So I will ask my team members to explain to him. In that way I will take off the situation, ma'am.
Maybe he is having some other opinion about the project, so only he is not cooperating. So you try to find out from others. Okay, good.
Yes.
Very good approach. One more better. See, that's what I'm telling you. Know, you have to come out with the thoughts. That is one approach. Okay, if you as a team leader says he feels that maybe he is showing bossism and all, so asking the other people to have a talk with him, good, and find out the reason. Yes, very good. I appreciate. And
Hello,
yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Firstly, we can know what the problem and solve in a polite manner because that person can't be hurt.
Okay, you see to it that person is not hurted. His feelings are not hurted. Very good. And
So this can help to the person can actively participation.
okay, so if when his feelings are not hurted, then according to you, he will participate actively. Maybe very good. Good approach. Good. You see, that's what I'm telling you. Know, in these HR questions, there is no correct answer or there is no wrong answer. All answers are correct as long as you tell that in a convincing way. Simple logic. Okay, only thing, the approach should be in a polite and understandable way and convincing way. Okay, yes, that is one approach. And okay, if I am the team leader, if the same question is asked to me, first of all, what I will do is I take him to canteen or some restaurant, make him to sit and have nice meal first of all with him, which means I try to make the situation light. which means I try to form a bond. An informal situation, in an informal situation, I try to touch him personally, like why he is not involving in the work, what is stopping him. Okay, that is also one of. I don't say that this is the only the correct one. No, this is only the correct one. No, I say that this is also one approach of handling the situation. So taking him for a cup of coffee and him or her, and asking her to have a casual chat in which this issue can be brought to the discussion, and find out where exactly the problem is located, and trying to focus on that and sort out the issue. This is also one. Okay, right. Okay, did you understand? So on the whole, this question is asked to test the personality traits, which means what is your personal characteristic feature, okay, that is tested, okay, of a candidate, and assess the skills of how the candidate behaves in certain situation. Okay, how you behave in such situation. Will you show your bossism, or will you too submissive? Will you be too aggressive? Will you be, how you handle the situation, that is also tested in the interview. Okay, and some questions will be like this: what if you won a lottery of 1 crore, how do you spend? You see, to test your mindset, to test your personality trait. Okay, and so many questions will be there. We will discuss in the HR questions topic. Okay, yes. So on the whole, an interview is a formal meeting where the suitability of the candidate is tested. Okay, and the interview is totally a pre-planned one, and questions will be generated by the interviewer to ask for the candidates. Okay, who's that? Yeah. The purpose of the HR interview is to test the personality. This one is discussed. Now, let us move on to the next topic, that is pre-interview preparation. Okay, so somebody said, okay, I don't say it is wrong. Maybe from her point of view or from his point of view, it may be correct. Right here, every interview needs preparation. No doubt in it. No doubt in it. Okay. So before I move to this one, I ask a question. I would like to ask a question to the batch. The question is, tomorrow at 10 a.m. at Hyderabad, you are having an interview. What do you do today? Responses, please. Not in the chat box. Unmute and tell me very fastly. Once again, repeat my question. Tomorrow at 10 a.m. in Hyderabad, you are going to have an interview. You got a call letter. Okay, what you do?
Ma'am,
Yes.
first I set my things for the interview, ma'am.
Your
Files.
things in the sense, right?
Files, resume. Next, I prepare myself for the interview, ma'am.
Right. What you prepare? That's what my question is.
Basics means core and soft skills, software and programming. Next, and the personal development like HR, ma'am.
Yeah. Can I make it into subject basics?
Ma'am?
Of subject basics of your core, like of your stream?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are going to brush up your knowledge from the basics once you get prepared. Very good. Very good. And
next, my presence in the interview, ma'am, and talk myself with me, ma'am.
Okay, you have a personal talk with yourself, introspection. Okay, good. And
dressing style, ma'am.
Okay, good. You plan tomorrow what dress I had to wear, what light shades. Okay, good.
How to talk to interviews in polite way. Likewise, ma'am. I prepare myself. Okay, ma'am.
Good. Okay, I appreciate. Very good. So according to her, one is resume, and that is fine, and other is dress code, formal proper light shade. She will plan accordingly, and brushing up of the subject knowledge. Okay, and how mental preparation by talking to self. Okay, how tomorrow I had to communicate with them, how I had to stand, how I had to behave. Okay, a sort of mental preparation. That's it, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
And
Okay.
I like also know about the company, ma'am. About
Exactly.
company.
Yes. Yes. Okay. You should. How do you know about the company? Anybody can unmute yourself and tell. How do you know about the company?
By searching Google.
Hit the nail on the head. Google Mata is there now. You ask, she will bless you. Yes. Okay. You should open the website of the
I
company.
ask,
Yeah. Sorry. Please. Something you are saying, ma? I disturb you, I think.
by asking someone in the company, ma'am. Some member in the company. We know
Okay.
some people, ma'am.
Employee. Okay. Already working there.
Mhm.
Consult them, you talk to them. Okay, fine. That is also one approach. Okay, good. Okay, and that is also one approach. You open the company website at your fingertips, you can get the information. Okay, details like, because definitely there will be a question like, what do you know about our company? So for whichever company you are going for interview, you have to first of all open the website and have the details. In which year the company has established, who is the CEO, how many branches are there, how many locations are there, what is the manpower, like on what platforms they are working on, what are their previous achievements, all this. And if not completely, minimum 4 to 5 points you should have in your brain, that you can, in which year it has been established, okay, and who is the CEO of the company, like that. Minimum 4 to 5 points should be there in your brain, because for sure there will be one question on, like, it goes like this: what do you know about our company? So you must be in a position to answer. So in the pre-interview preparation, this is one of the important aspects to do. Fine, agreed. Yes. And anything else? Somebody has texted here 5G9. Eat nice food prepared by mom and sleep well, dress up well, attend interview with required documents. Oh, I see. Yes. Everything is okay. Can I have the last word? Documents. Can you just tell me what are the documents you include? What are the documents you include? Unmute yourself and say. Of course, certificates, I know. Documents, okay. Like what? Company specified documents, okay. Okay. Chalo.
Achievements.
Sorry, ma?
Achievements.
Achievements, good. One of your friends, she was saying, I may prepare a file with the resume. So in the file, along with the resume, something else also you put. Those are these documents. Documents like your certificates and your achievement certificates, even your reference letters if you have. Okay. Resume list with the interest, achievements. Okay, good. Okay. So all these you have to make a file. Right? Okay. But my last question of today's session, let us wind up within few minutes. My last question of today's session is, what is the question? Yeah, when you carry a file to the interview, right? Yeah, when you carry a file to the interview, the moment I open the file, what is the first thing I had to see? Answers, please. Unmute yourself and answer. The moment I open the file, what is that? Please don't text. Unmute yourself and you are see, I'm very casually discussing with you, right? So you can tell, you can unmute yourself and tell. The
Ma'am,
moment I open your file, sorry, tried, yeah,
academic files, certificates, ma'am.
tried, good, and
Resume,
Extra
ma'am.
resume, tried,
actual certificates, ma'am.
achievement certificates, tried, and think, think.
Ma'am, is my voice audible?
Yeah, you're very clear, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. First you have said that the interview is located in Hyderabad, right? So my first thing was I'll make sure that I'm available in Hyderabad. I mean, for
Yes,
going to
again,
attend.
right. Again, we discuss this point. How what you do when you go for interview tomorrow. In case you are still, the topic is not discussed here. The topic of the discussion is just now she said I carry a file. That is the point now. Okay.
Yeah.
We again come back. The discussion is not yet completed. Okay, we just
Okay.
started. In that, the question is now I carry a file. In that, I'll have few etc something they said just now. I hope you also heard. Okay.
Yeah.
The moment I open the file, what is the first thing I should look at? I mean, what is the view of the thing? What I get in the file,
The resume.
right? And anybody else? Try.
Skills.
Sorry. Skills? No. Try. And
Reference letter.
sorry.
I think the
Reference
hobbies.
letter. Tried. Reference letter. Tried. And think of
Personal experience, ma'am. Personal experience. Personal experience.
Tried. Still think fastly. Little bit you have to think. That's it. It's not a big current affairs question. A very simple, common question. Think of.
Experience.
Tried. And I did not
I
get the
think
exact
hobbies.
answer.
Internship.
Sorry.
Hobbies.
Internship.
Hobbies. You have a paper? Not. No. Tried.
Internship.
Internship? No. No.
I think whether the information provided in resume is correct or not. I mean, it's valid or not.
When I open the file, what I have to see? What is this?
My resume with my photo, ma'am.
Tried and say class is interesting, no? When you are muting and telling. Yeah, tell me.
Whether the
Actively
details
participate.
are
Huh? Somebody can try, take a chance.
whether the details are correct or not.
Or not? What you check? Okay, fine. You check. I am the interview panel. Okay, you are a candidate. You are carrying a file. The moment you open the file, what should be seen first?
Graduated certificate, ma'am.
Whether
Right.
the details of a person
Right.
is correct or not.
Right. Very good. Right. You are giving some work to your brain. Come on. Try.
Actively participation in activities in college.
4:55. Can you unmute yourself?
Call letter, ma'am.
Exactly. Call letter. Whether he is MLS relative or not. What is this? Okay. So the moment you open your file, if you got the call letter through the mail, you should have the soft copy of that. In case if you have a hard copy, okay, fine. The moment you open the file, first thing what have to be seen is call letter. Remember, after call letter comes the resume. After resume comes the documents. The documents also the order, in a reverse chronological order. First graduation and all. Next inter. Next 10th. Next achievements. That should be the order. Reverse chronological order. But not first 10th inter. No. Okay. But of all in the file, the first top one is call letter. Okay. Fine. Yes. Any doubt? Fine. Okay. So let's wind up today's interactive session with this. And in the next class, that is tomorrow's class, we will discuss tomorrow if you are having an interview, what you do today. This is the question what I have asked. And we started the discussion. Okay. And as the time is going to end, let us discuss the same topic tomorrow. With this, shall we call it a day? Yes. Okay, fine. Right. Thank you. Thank you for your response, and hope from tomorrow we will go take the class in the same mode. Like you can unmute yourself and give responses. Okay, so that you will understand how to respond also. And if when you are saying good points, like just now you people are saying beautiful points. Okay, so that can be understood by other people also. Okay, because always two brains are better than one and three brains are better than two. Okay, so now instead of one brain, so many brains will be there in the batch. So let's have many brains and come out with the best points. Okay, from tomorrow onwards, let's have the class in the interactive session only, like unmuting and speaking and then muting. Fine. With this positive note, let us end the session now. Thank you.
Thank you,
Have a
ma'am.
nice time. Yeah, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice time.